Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Open Phonepe and authenticate with your PIN or biometrics. Once done, tap the round profile icon at the top left to open your account overview. This is where Phonepe stores your registered mobile. Make sure contacts and phone permissions are enabled in your device settings so Phonepe can display linked numbers and bank contacts. If prompted, allow permission requests now. They let the app match numbers to contacts. This first screen gives you the quick facts you need to proceed. Now find the exact registered number. In Profile, look under your name or account details where the mobile is usually shown. If it's not immediately visible, tap Edit Profile or view KYC/account settings to reveal hidden fields. Phonepe hides some details until you open these screens. Also inspect linked bank accounts and UPI ID in the bank accounts section, because the verified mobile number for those accounts will be listed there. That confirms the number Phonepe uses for OTPs and transactions. Finish by updating or verifying the number if needed. Tap Edit Profile, choose Update Mobile, then enter the new number and complete OTP verification. Phonepe uses one OTP for confirmation. Once changed, make sure bank and UPI links refresh so transactions work. If you can't see or change the number, clear the app cache, force close and reopen, or reinstall the app to refresh stored data. If that fails, contact Phonepe support from the help section for account-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.